Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Okay, it's my first video in English. I'm so sorry for my French accent. But no, today we are in the salt desert, salt lake in India. We are in the Rajasthan, close to Jaipur, in two hours from Jaipur by car. And it's so beautiful. You know this is a well, and you have the water inside, and the water go directly to the lake. And I don't know why. No, I know. It's just because, you know, you need to put water on the lake. I don't know really. Maybe Ajit can explain you. But I know just this water go to the lake. Yeah. And you have water inside. And this water go to the lake. And after, you have a lake. It's a pink lake, you know. I don't know why. I don't have explanation, but I know that it's just natural, you know. And it's so very beautiful. I take off with my drone on it, and you can see the beautiful view. It's very amazing, very amazing. Yes.
We are at the Goda salt plant. It is like in the Sambar Lake, part of Sambar Lake. And this is the biggest lake of Rajasthan, where we produce biggest salt lake of Rajasthan, and we produce salt for most of the state and for most of the country here. And it's a good place. It's a home for lots of flamingos, the birds. They migrate here for what? They come here for migration. I'm sorry, my English.
Me too, I have bad accent and bad English. No.
Yeah, now next we're gonna head to the flamingo houses and we're gonna explore that. So far we are here. There's like in the plant and in the farm of the salt. See you.
And now we can go to see the flamingo. I think it's close to here for the sunset. I think it's should be beautiful. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we are in the beach. No, it's not a beach, it's a salt desert. You know, it's really strange because it's so dry, you know, very dry. And now we can take off. But over here you have lot of flamingo, and it's so nice to walk here, you know. It's so strange because it's dry, but mou also en français. En français on dit mou, mais j'ai pas la traduction. It's very strange, but it's so nice. Okay, we can take off with the drone now.